Hello peeps! It is good to see you folks visiting my channel. Welcome! So, have you been searching how to replace the thermal paste and maybe do some dusting and cleaning of the cooling fans on this Lenovo Ideapad 3 Gaming, the exact model listed right in front of you? Well, you came to the right video guide then, so stick around. Without further procrastinating, let's dive straight into it, shall we? I want to loosen the screws first for my electric screwdriver. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. If you're opening it for the first time, it will probably be sealed tight, so just have patience and progress slowly. This was easy to open because it has probably been opened before. Before touching any of the components, I will disconnect the battery. I don't want to unplug these Wi-Fi antennas, so I will just do this. Only 3 screws holding the double fans. Pesky antenna cable giving me trouble here. Disconnecting the fans connector, so only one connector for both of the fans. Time to clean this up a little. Time to remove the heatsink. Please keep in mind that the screws don't go out all the way. I will wipe off the residual leftover thermal paste from the heatsink, but first from the CPU and the GPU. I will fast forward this part, you will get the idea. The end result should look something like this. I will not touch the thermal paddings though, they're okay here. How much thermal paste is enough? They say less is more. I'm not over-tightening them. I'm just making sure that I did a proper job and not miss one. Reconnecting the fans. And before putting the back cover back on, I will reconnect the battery. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.